Hey there loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be creating a few console table decor ideas for your entryway, so if you're interested in that kind of content then keep on watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, remember to like, comment, share and also subscribe. For our first look, if you're looking for something very simple, I'm going to start off by placing 2 books down, and then behind it I'm going to add my DIY abstract art, and then right next to that I'm going in with a plant. Of course you can choose a vase with flowers if you want, or just a simple small greenery. And if you're looking to add something on top of the books, you can go ahead and add your decor piece or your candle. To add just a little more to this option, I'm going to reposition the placement of the books, leaving my picture behind it and then placing my greenery right next to it. Because I've been unable to find a lamp that I really love here, I'm going to create a faux lamp. So I'm going to put my face down and then I'm going in with my lampshade. And of course, if you're looking for actual lighting, you can go ahead and add a puck light on top and you have your own DIY lamp. And I really feel like this look turned out great. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comment section. For look number 3, I'm going in with a DIY summer floral arrangement that I created for a short. If you guys are interested in watching that, I will try to link it in the description box for you guys, but it is my most recent short, so you guys can go ahead and head over to that short to watch it if you would like to see me recreate this piece right here. Next, I'm going to be going in with a couple books, but I'm going to place them down in a kind of crisscross position. And then next to that, I'm going in with my glass bowl that has some moss inside of it. And on top of my books, I'm going to add a candle. If I can link this candle for you guys, I will definitely link it because it smells amazing. And I also wanted to add it here because it has some color and I wanted another added pop of color. Then behind my vase, I'm going in with my abstract art again because I felt like the table needed something else to tie it all together. And I really feel like this look came out really well. What do you guys think about look number 3? For my 4th and final look, I really wanted to tie in the colors from my hutch onto my console tabletop, and lately I've really been into that wabi sabi look. I don't know, I'm really being drawn to that kind of style lately, so I really wanted to try to create that feel onto my console tabletop. So I'm going down with my tall vase that looks kind of vintage but also modern. Then I'm going down with a brown book, and on top of that I'm adding my DIY full vintage vase, and then next to that I'm going to add a pop of black in my candlestick holder. For my foliage, I'm going in with only greenery. I feel like that wabi sabi look doesn't really give too much flowers and color. It gives a lot of twigs or greenery, and I wanted to add a pop of green just to bring a little bit of life to this tabletop. So I'm going in with some of my eucalyptus stems and also a more fine leaf greenery, just to bring some life to my tabletop. Just to tie in some more brown on the tabletop, I decided to go in with my brown candlesticks. Now these candles are a bit thin for the candlestick holder, but I'm going to just add a little bit of newspaper at the bottom just to stop it from wiggling. I don't plan to light this candle at all because it is too high up next to the greenery, and for safety reasons I really do wish I had some faux candles, but I think this look turned out really nicely. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Which look was your favorite? And if you are still here watching, then go ahead and leave me some brown hearts in the comment section. Let me know that you've enjoyed this content and you're enjoying the content that I put out. I appreciate every single one of you. I cannot believe that we are almost at 2,000 subscribers. We're at 1,800 and some. Okay, so thank you very much to everyone that has been subscribing to my channel and enjoying my content. I appreciate every single one of you, and I hope to see you all in the next video. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen.